Atlas Copco Safety and Health Awards 2015. Bringing each of our employees, customers and service contracts to think about safety has been a great challenge for Atlas Copco in Chile. For years, efforts have focused on creating awareness about everything that concerns safety. Safety has been the main motivation behind each new project developed by the company. 3 of these initiatives contributed to be chosen as the winning country for the Safety and Health Awards 2015, a recognition that supports the work done and encourages us to continue improving.
One of the pillars for sustainable productivity is safety and the well-being of our employees. This has been created thanks to good organized and planned work, making people aware how important this area is. In addition to this, there's been major investment made by the company to ensure that we make the day-to-day safer workplace for all our employees and customers.
First project, MRS Equipment Testing Room. Testing the equipment in settings as close to the real thing as possible was an aspiration for the mining technical service. The idea was to perform tests without causing disturbing noise, both in areas inside the company and to neighbouring communities, considering that our premises are in the middle of a residential neighbourhood.
The most relevant point is the considerable decrease in noise emission to the outside of the room, which contribute directly to the occupational health of the company staff. Using the filter and water reuse system warranties the fixed consumption for equipment testing. By performing this type of testing, we ensure that our equipment are delivered to our client in operating condition, increasing the reliability and availability of the equipment on the site, shortening the startup time.
Modifying the testing room involved a construction that met the standards. After months of work, it was possible to finish this room that today allows testing equipment without major impacts on workers, the community, and the environment. Second project, 7 years without accidents. Chuquicamata, Atlas Copco, rental contracts. Reaching 0 accidents in a service contract is a great challenge and a task that requires joint efforts. Atlas Copco Rental took that challenge and achieved very good results. The Chuquicamata contract is the largest that rental division has in Chile, and it features complicated geographical aspects like altitude and extreme temperatures in the operation of one of the world's largest open-pit mines. Therefore, the associated risks are high, and the focus is on reducing the exposure of workers to the implicit risks of such a task.
To achieve 7 years without accident, we have been working hard in implementing safety tools every day for 5 minutes, not only in the contract, in all places where we have rental people. All this through constant training, audit and continuous improvement.
Third project, reduction of days lost due to accidents.
Our health and safety management during the last 3 years has focused on implementing a strategic check plan nationwide, which contribute to achieving this recognition. The check strategy of Atlas Copco Chilena has based on 3 fundamental pillars. The first pillar of our strategy was the creation of the corporate check plan. Our plan has 12 elements and each one has a goal and task to perform. Its implementation allowed us to establish a similar standard in each of our facilities, to control a standard management and establish performance indicators. The second pillar was the safety decalogue. The safety decalogue consists of the 10 most important safety rules that must be complied with in the company. Its creation was due to the fact that a large part of accidents occurred by some breach of these rules. The third pillar of the strategy was the creation of the safety standards. The safety standards were generated because we are embedded in different work environments, such as underground and open pit mining, industry in general, as well as our own facilities. For this reason, we need to have a baseline in all locations where we operate.
This recognition is for all our people and the hard work we put into this area. The award will also motivate us in our future day-to-day work to keep a safe work environment. It has a great relevance for our performance and our commitment with our customers.